Hi, welcome back. So I recently asked for you guys to really give me some questions that I can help answer and make your lives a little bit easier. So here's one that I got from you. One of my viewers actually got sick. And so they had messaged me and they said, how do I stick with this if I'm not feeling well? What do I do? So that's a good question as well. So if you're sick, then generally you're going to be down for maybe a day or two. Let's expand that. What if you had surgery and so you weren't able to do anything for maybe a week? And then, of course, you feel behind. So that's what I can say is that you are not behind. I know I've said it a few times, but you're not behind. One thing I can say is it didn't get dirty in a day. It's not going to get clean in a day. So really picking up where you left off, it's all about baby steps. And yes, you may have been down for the count for a couple days or for a week, but if you just have your routines and you start the routine slowly to what you can do, ask for help. If you have someone there that can help, ask. That's what our control journal is there for, after all, right? Our control journal is really there as like a guideline, not just for us, but also for someone that may be able to help you. I actually had a funny conversation with my husband the other day, and I had said, there was someone that had posted somewhere and had said, I really wanted to do a video and I really felt very bad about it. He wanted to go and do my stuff for me, and I was gonna tape him. Actually, I think it was on, oh man, I don't remember who it was. That it was someone, they had posted something as part of their comments in one of their videos. And so with that, I can say, I asked my husband, I said, I would hope that if I was sick or if I was down for like a week, I would hope that you would pick up my camera and you would actually do a video for me. That might actually show everyone else, hey, you know what? All it takes is just asking. Ask for help. When you feel like it, do something. So shining a sink is not hard. Doing the dishes is not hard, right? They can help. Get your kids to help. They'll understand you're not feeling well. So hopefully that answered it for you. And if you want, check out one of my other videos. I have one on the right. And if you want to be notified the next time that I have another video out, go ahead and click on my face to the left and hit the bell notification icon. So that way you could be notified the next time I have one out. You have a wonderful day.